pressure, but I've got some video on this. No, you're cool. Good stuff. So here we are. Surprisingly to no one, I imagine, this is the Amazon rainforest. Yeah, trekking down through the forest. This is kind of our second but last day in the jungle, and yeah, it decided to rain on us. It's quite refreshing, really, considering how much hot it's been in the jungle and how, you know, how difficult it's been over the last few days in the heat. So yeah, Stevie G's video diary, walking in the rainforest. Skin's waterproof, as they say. Let's hope it doesn't last all day, because that would be rubbish. So yeah, quite a refreshing change, really. I'll call you back later and tell you how it goes. Going to your mum. Yeah. Tell us where you are, boys.
In the middle of Peru. Having a shower. This is luxury right here.
Yeah, man. Tell us again. What is it? What is it, mate?
It's luxury.
Amazon rainforest, ladies. Yeah, yeah. Wet? Yeah. Refreshing, perhaps? A bit of a refreshing change, I think, from what we've been having the last few days. What do you think, Simon? You've been living it up in Party Town for the last few days? Come on, Joanna. Time, pumpkin. Woohoo! Go on, Kate. Show us how to do it, mate. Yeah, baby. Smile for the camera. There we go. Well done, James. Do the smile, mate. Hey. Hey, Toby. How's it going, man?
Yeah, good. Doesn't get any better than this.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's like the Lake District in the summer.
2011.
This is it, man. This looks like easy going for a while. Yippee-ki-yay. So there you go, folks. Signing in again. It's been a bit wet, as you can see, but we've come down to the edge of the Koche, and the Koche has dried out so much we're managing to make good progress along the edge, which is quite good. Yeah, hoping to get a camp in at some point soon. But at the moment, going well, I think we shall just keep pushing on. It's also really nice and cool in this rain, which is a bit of a change from the last 4 weeks. Okay, cheers for that. here we go, the guys are doing really well. Yeah, it's been wet for about an hour now, and we're still plodding on down the side of this big Cotcha Weary, which is, once we get to the end of the Cotcha Weary, our challenge from the cutting trail is actually over. From there there's a well-known trail back to San Martin, which is kind of our ultimate goal, really. Yeah, this is the first time in 4 weeks I've managed to have fresh water run down the crack of my ass rather than sweat, so that's a bonus. So, now it's been raining for about 3 hours. Everyone's not quite as happy as they were before. But as you can see, with my little hooch, I'll show you in a second. My kit's damp, but I think I'm going to be able to survive. Fun times on the Amazon. Too bad. Still coming down, but the boys are happy in there, in their woodshed, making fire. Say hi, boys.
Alright.
Okay, yeah. And the girls are over there making house. Hiya! And of course, I'm in here just filling my water bottle, as you can about to see. So yeah, all in all is well in the jungle. No swearing, please. Thank you very much. I'm making a video. Never hear me swearing, do you? All I've got now is smoke. Anyone in there? Smoke on the under the top. Hello. Yippee-ki-yay, and then some.
All you have to do is double tongue, but they couldn't do it.
Double time.
Yeah.
You triple time.
I can't do it. I never got good enough triple tongue. It's like teeth, or something like that.
It's
Yeah. I could do it. I can double tongue that.
How you got? Okay. Freaking hard.
Yeah, and to keep in time with that.
It took me how long? It took me like a year to master that. Still can't do it properly. It's bloody hard.
Yeah. That's why wind instruments are better.
Well, that's it. The day is over, and rain stopped. Everyone's settled down. Morale's high now. We've had our scoff, and yeah, all is well in the camp. Looking forward to tomorrow, getting out of here and finishing off this trek back to San Martin. Will be quite cool. Okay, cheers.